So here I have a 2-liter bottle stacked on top of a 1.5-liter bottle, and I've consistently hit these at 200 yards. So now I stack them, put the label front. I'm going to be aiming for that, and I'm going to be shooting from there, which is about 200 yards. So I'll go over there and set up. And here I have my CZ 452 22 long rifle. I have one shot in the magazine. And let's see if I can make that shot. I don't know how well you see it, but it's there. Maybe you'll see it when if it bounces. Got it. So that was a half-liter bottle stacked on a 1.5-liter bottle at 200 yards. First shot with a 22. A cheap 22 with a cheap scope. It's not that difficult.